Hey guys, welcome back to another episode on how to get logged into your PNC Bank account. If you also want to learn how to get logged into your PNC Bank account, then make sure to follow all the steps and watch this video till the end. Now before we start the video, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and turn on the notification in order to get notified for any of our new uploads. Now let's jump into the video. Now the first thing you need to do is to open up any web browser on a PC. Now on the URL bar, search for pnc.com and press enter on your keyboard. And there you will be directly taken to its official homepage. Now from here you have to make sure to select this personal section and then you have to tap on the sign on button at the top right of your screen. And once you tap on it, this type of login interface will be open up on your screen. Now here you have to type in your user ID and the password of your account. Now if in case you have either forgotten your user ID or your password, you can retrieve it by tapping on forget ID or password link. And if you want your user ID to be remembered by the system so that you don't have to manually type in your user ID in your future logins, then tick the square box which says remember user ID. But if you're using others or public device, then make sure to uncheck this square box or leave this box as it is. And now, once you're done with typing in your username and password correctly, tap on login button to get logged into your PNC Bank account. Now that's how easily and quickly you can get logged into your PNC Bank account. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, make sure to like and share this video and also subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Now that's gonna be all for this video and I will see you in the next one.